Welcome back for day 2 of Letter V. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, and we'll be continuing with letter V. Remember, V makes the V sound, and we can feel that in our vocal cords when we say V. Yesterday, we wrote uppercase V. Today, we're going to be writing lowercase v. And like I said, if you can make uppercase V, you can make lowercase v. The only difference is that we're starting at the yellow. We're going from the yellow to red and back up to the yellow and stop. Remember, V is made from 2 slanted lines, and we have to stop the car at the bottom to make the point, or vertex as we called it. If we don't, it'll be a curved line. So we have to stop and change directions. We don't pick the pencil up. We leave the pencil right where it is. We just stop and shift our hand to make the different direction. So here's the song. Letter V goes down and up, down and up, down and up. Letter V goes down and up. That's the letter V. So if you can make uppercase V, you can easily make lowercase v. So you'll be practicing lowercase v on page 4. And you'll be going yellow to green, back to yellow. Remember at the bottom, it's uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. Here our pattern, uppercase, lowercase. So you'll be practicing uppercase again once you get to the bottom. Letter V says V, V, V. Once you finish 4, you'll turn over to page 5. On page 5, you'll notice that we have some vases, vases, that are full of flowers. Vases with flowers. There's something different about our listening page today. Instead of 1 letter, we have 2. At the top, you'll see letter F, and below it, you'll see letter V. We are distinguishing between the sound that F makes, F, and the letter V makes, V. My mouth makes the same formation to make both letters, but it's what I do that causes the sound to be different. With letter F, I'm simply forcing out the air. So let me make the sound that letter F makes. Letter V is my vocal cords. The. Remember, F is what we call our candy cane letter. Remember, that's how we remember the shape of it. And V, we go down to a point, stop the car, and come back up. So I'm going to be reading some words to you as we move across our vases. If the word I use starts with F, you're going to circle the F. If the word starts with V, you'll circle V. But I am not simply going to say the words. I'm going to use them in a sentence. So let's start on page 5. We're going to start with our red vase. So find the red vase. So the 2 words we're going to be listening for, we're going to either be listening for fairy, like a tiny fairy, or very, like you did a very good job. All right, here's your sentence, and I want to see if you hear the word fairy or very. Today is a very nice day. Today is a very nice day. We heard the word very. So does very start with V or F? Very. Put your fingers to your throat. Very. I feel it in my throat. So we're going to circle letter V. Now we're going to move over to the orange vase. The 2 words we're going to be listening for are either fan or van. So here is our sentence. The breeze from the fan will keep us cool. The breeze from the fan will keep us cool. So the word is fan. Fan. I don't really feel that in my throat. F. Fan. So on the orange one, you'll circle letter F. Now we're going to move over to the yellow vase. Our 2 words for the yellow vase are few, which means not very many, few or view what we see, a view. Okay, view or view. Here's our sentence. We have a pretty view from the park. We have a pretty view from the park. So the word is view. View. I hear V. So we're going to circle V in the yellow one. Now we're going to move over to the green vase. The two words that we're listening for are fail and veil. Fail and veil. So listen to my sentence. The bride wore a beautiful white lace veil. Veil. I heard V, so we're going to circle letter V. Now we're moving back down to our next row to the blue vase. So the blue vase, the word is face or vase. Face or a vase that you might put flowers in. The little boy had a happy face. The little boy had a happy face. F or V? Which one? Does face begin with V or F? Face. Circle the one it begins with, and I'll let you do these. All right, we're moving on to the purple one. The words are fine and vine. Fine and vine. Here's your sentence. Grapes grow on a vine. Grapes grow on a vine. F or V? Does vine begin with F or V? Vine. Circle the one it begins with. Now we're going to be moving over to the pink vase. And our words for the pink vase are fast and vast. Fast and vast. Here is your sentence. The pony was so fast that he won the race. The pony was so fast that he won the race. The word is fast. Does fast begin with F or V? Circle the correct letter. Last one. We're moving to the white vase with the white flowers. So your words are fat and vat. Fat and vat. Here's your sentence. The fat little puppy was always hungry. The fat little puppy was always hungry. So the word is fat. Does fat begin with F or V? Fat. All right, once you finish that, you're going to move down to the pink box. You'll notice the big pink box. And here are our start right blocks. In the start right blocks, I want you to write the word van. V-A-N. V-A-N. Van. You hear that welded sound. Do you remember what two letters make the welded sound? First letter is V. Second letter, A. Last letter, N. V-An. V-An. Then you'll draw a van up here in your empty space on your pink box. Now you're going to move over to the green box. Look closely. What do you see in the green box? Well, there's a fan. You might use this. Sometimes you can use the books and make it into a fan if you're hot to move air. So a fan is something that's folded in accordion style. Remember when we folded things using the accordion style? And it catches air and moves air around, and so we call that a fan. Fa-an. Fa-an. Fan. I hear the welded sound again. First letter would be fa. Fan. Once you've completed that, give yourself a check plus. And we're going to flip our page. And we'll be on page 6. And on page 6, you'll need to use your crayons. We see two children who have gotten dressed for the day. You'll notice that some of their clothing has no color. We will need to read some words to know what color that we need to use to complete their outfit. We'll be coloring them in. We'll be practicing the names of the articles of clothing and sounding them out. So I'm going to pick up my board and we're going to start with sounding out some words. The top 4 are the ones that were under the boy. So let's sound out the first one. Pa-ants. 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 Pants, pants, pants. Welded sound A-N. Pants. Next one. This is a 2-syllable word. Remember last time we worked in our other letter book, we talked about breaking 2-syllable words into their 2 parts and sounding out each part individually. So let's try the word is mittens. Mittens. So let's do mitt first. It, mitt. Ta-ans, tans, mittens. Mittens, mittens, mittens. This is an easy one. Ha-at. Ha-at. Hat, hat, hat. Ba-e-lt. Belt, 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 belt. So for the boy, we have pants, mittens, hat, and belt. These are the items that are under the girl. First one is vest. Vest, vest, vest. Va-est. Vest, vest, vest. You'll remember that a vest sort of looks like a coat, but without any sleeves. Vest, vest, vest. Ribbon. Ribbon. 2 syllables. Let's do rib first. R-I-B. Rib. Last one. B-a-n. Ribbon. Ribbon, ribbon, ribbon. Guess what we have down here? Compound word. Remember, we say compound word. So our word is handbag. So we'll sound out hand first. Ha-and. Ha-and. Hand, hand, hand. Welded sound an says and. See, if we remember this, we don't really have to sound out that and sound. We know that an says and. Ha-and. All right, last one is bag. B-a-g. Bag, bag, bag. Handbag. So we're going to sound hand and bag together. Handbag. Handbag, right? Handbag. Okay, here's our last one. D-R-S. 2 letters, but only 1 sound. F-L-S and Z. Double, double. Short vowel we see. We know to double those S's because E says E, egg, short vowel, 2 S's, but only 1 sound. So we would tap it. D-R-S. Dress, dress, dress. There are 5 letters, but I only tap 4 times because 2 letters only get 1 tap if they're the same letter, right? All right, so we have a vest, ribbon, handbag, and dress underneath the girl. So what she'll do, your job is to read each one of these words yourself. Once you sound it out, I want you to pick up the crayon based on the color of the word. For example, pants is in green. So you're going to pick up your green crayon and color the boy's pants green. Next are his mittens. His mittens are supposed to be red, so you'll need to get red and color his mittens red. So look at each word, and each word is a different color, and you'll color your children. When you're finished, they should look something like this. And you'll see that now they are dressed for the day. So today you will be doing pages 4, 5, and 6, and I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow to continue working in Letterbook V. Have a great day. Bye.